Ready to ditch the endless job applications and step into top-tier freelance work? Let's dive into the Toptal Seller Application process, a pathway to connecting with high-profile clients. Starting with the Toptal homepage, head over to Toptal.com and locate the Become a Freelancer button. Usually prominently displayed, click on that button to initiate the process. Here's where it starts. The Become a Freelancer button is the launchpad to getting started. Once you click it, you'll be taken to the application page. This page outlines the process and what to expect. It's crucial to be aware of the multi-step process that includes a skills assessment, technical screening, and a live interview. To formally begin, click the Apply Now button. The first step involves filling out a Signup Form. Enter your full name, a valid email address, create a strong password, and select your country of residence. Carefully review the provided information, and then submit the form. After submitting the form, check your email to verify your account. Click the link in the email. Next, you'll begin the thorough skills assessment and testing. To test your existing skills and capabilities, be prepared to face a technical screening, showcasing your abilities. Take your time and be thorough with each response. Once your application is submitted, you can begin improving and learning to improve your skill set. Remember, the key to success is thorough preparation and a confident presentation of your skills. Good luck.